Yo, come here, where Ben Ski there? Come and see Ben Ski, my friend. Come and see Ben Ski. Yeah, where there? Sell me. Pop out the key, let me see it, my friend. Oigo. 7,000 feet Benz? Bumbuckler. Come here, how much is your one fee?
Alright, give me
3,000?
With the Benz key.
Bumbuckler. Hold on. May I give you 5th class fee Benz? That can buy? Alright, what is it? Alright, may I give you 100 more fee Benz? Alright, so give me Benz key, you know? 100 more you give me Benz key? Alright. What's the key? One of them brown and that, this is how much one of them? So 5,000, share you want. Oh, but you tell me something, if you give 100 more, you give me Benz key, so you're changing now. No, man, where Benz park?
Silver one.
Which part? Where park?
Never received, man. Never received.
You receive, book take out till then, man, I'll line up your thing, give me. I give you 5 more thousand. Bumbuckler. Bumbuckler. Come see receipt book. Come see it. Bumbuckler. So, I want wholesale Benz there. Bumbuckler. I say, write up receipt. Give me that. But you tell me, say how much more me figure.
Well, you have video me, you can't give me $1,000.
But you chick me, man. Where Benz there? Come show me your parking Benz. Which part of Benz key then? Why you wicked, mama?
Give me one bag of chicken. Yo, my boss. Give me one bag of chicken there.
Chop up your blood clot. One way I go. Alright. That's enough for fuck on, man. One way I go. Leave my blood clot alone. You hear, sir? Alright.
I don't feel like you're a bad man, eh?
You don't want a friend for you. One way I go.
You feel like a bad man.
Then they are Canada, Johnny. You know
Canada. Thinking can't bad out here.
Toronto, you know. You know, tell him.
Can't bad out here, man.
What do you mean? I'll deport to them man, you know, man. How you feel like? The man is a joke, man. Tell the man is a joke, man. Make your mango juice, yeah.
Go away, I go, brother.
Oh.
Alone.
Man, I make your mango juice, brother.
You come with a camera. I throw some bomber clot at water pan a pussy bomber clot.
I'm batty boy, no. I'm batty boy.
Driver in a video. You put an illustration and give me about the muffin and the phone.
Make sure you call my name.
What's your name? Jackie.
Say Jackie?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Wait.
Wait.
Why you ain't looking at? Yeah.
Alright, run the video.
Jackie, you
Yes.
have a legalized boss.
I know.
But I'm warning you, tell the gangster.
Yeah.
No eating of the box.
That's right.
That's a debate
No.
and an illustration
Yes.
about the box.
Yes.
No eating of the box. The box must skin up back way and round.
I know.
Head off a bit and rada.
Yeah.
Foot by shoulder and rada.
Radam. Yeah.
Pineapple turn over and rada.
That's right.
No eating of the box. Break it. There's something up it.
Don't fill me up, me and Ned y'all.
The right thing, man. Because a dog blood clot of him, and you're not going to lick up you. But I think I do it, me. I didn't mind think I do it, me.
Where are you going to do, man?
What is it, man? Get up. Get a nickname, but don't feel me up. Don't bumble clot touch me. You touch you?
Of course, shit, man. Come in.
Shake your mouth, pussy so. That was going to shake. No. So, you better think you're not blood clot do it, me. Come in. I didn't mind think you do it, me. If I lick in your head, you fuck.
There ain't nobody fighting. One man really carried it up.
Don't tell me about nobody, man. Make man in that. Don't tell come in.
Don't try to lick him. If I lick him to Rasta, yo.
The whole you work. But you not try to enough to fill up the blood clot now, man.
Don't lick nobody over here.
But he touch me.
You want to be a friend?
Woo! chop off the whole of your face. That blood clot in there, chop off the whole of your face with it. Listen.
Come and go drink too, bro. Me too
Don't
full.
do one around for you. Fuck you. I'll talk to your woman. Put it down. No, mommy, no. Catch it.
Yeah. A poor pig life on the media, man. That's same time, man.
Me tell me no one pizza.
Come in, poor pig.
Catch him. Catch him.
See John Bush there, we are call him, tell him to come out of that place, you know, come out. Hear me with that? We are telling him to come out of that place. We are telling him to come out, you know, come out. Out of the house. That house there. Storm. I don't know if he's no bad man. I don't know if he's no bad man. Storm, but tell him to come out, to come out.
Good bus driver them to Brownstown, look where them gone to. Eh? Mackerel and sardine. And rice in a bosom.
I was driver, tell me I was driver.
In driver and bus Psalms 37. 37. You don't quite remember the driver name still about. Mike.
Where's the name?
Rowan.
Where's the name?
The good bus driver them.
So
Look where them gone to.
So Rasta, how spot in deep that I'm putting?
Why me say in front, you know. Right yourself.
Everybody know you. Stammer with Dr. Bus. Stammer with Dr. Bus. You might work with fancy now. You don't have to cover your face. You don't have to cover your face. Pull up, move your hand. Stammer, you are the first man to start the thief in. You, I make the rest of bus man them as a conductor. A tin mackerel thief and I pay for 3 cases. Not the Chinese man make you pay for 3 cases. You Stammer. See me? Stammer, I am first start the thief and everybody bad mind him.
Oh, good one, girl.
What don't be the funny?
5. Me not afraid for that. 5 flour. I buy a breakfast, stew chicken, and get 5 flour, 2 piece of yam, 1 finger banana, and a dashing and a cocoa. I'm alright.
So all the fried dumpling and the
Oh my, that meal deal is a real deal.
My, yeah, no. Blood clap after see that big box of food.
Yo, everyone,
see me TikTok.
everyone, yeah, and have a big split for that.
That's for the Bob Marley for that, Jesse.
You get me a Minute Maid round that side for me, please.
Yeah, Dan, sit down and have him breakfast.
$50.
And 50 for you.
Yeah. Yeah, so here we know.
Yes,
Them says, oh,
them say
gosh.
$5